Hey beautifuls, welcome back to another celebrity inspired makeup video. So on today's look, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate Ariana Grande's 3435. If you love this type of videos, please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. I started with some concealer all over the crease just to, cover the pigmentation. For the palette, I'm using the Wiley palette with Pixie, and it's just a gorgeous palette. So I'm starting out with this brown shadow on my crease, and girl, I almost forgot. I'm like, I need my tape to make it look nice and precise, so I added some tape. Take your time to build this shadow up, but as you guys will see that after I take the tape, it's going to look so precise. Then I'm going to be using this Prestige liquid liner, which I think mine was old because it was kind of like crusty and it was not as pigmented as I wish. So if you have a cream liner, white liner, or a cream eyeshadow, girl, use that. After this, I use my Motives white eyeliner over it, and it was really good after that. But take your time. So at the top, I'm like, I cannot do this and film this, so I took my time slowly because I always suck at the top of the liner when I'm creating this type of cut creases. But girl, I did it. I'm taking this eyeliner by Revlon, which is so precise and is so pigmented. So just do your wing liner over the white line. Now I noticed in her makeup look, she had at the top of the white line, the shadow was just standing out a bit more. So I'm gonna add that shadow at the top of the line to make it stand out a bit more. Adding this mascara by CoverGirl at the top of my lashes, and for my falsies, I am using the Kiss Mink lashes in Belle. I just love the way that they flare out at the end. And also I'm going to grab some eyeliner and apply it at the top of my waterline. For the face makeup, it was really simple. I didn't see blush. All I saw was so much just bronze, so I'm just going to apply a mist from Pixie and then just do some concealer. Like I told you guys, I've been doing this method more. Concealer first and then contour and then just a little bit of foundation, not that much. So this is how I've been doing my newest routine. I have been using this little magic stick wand by Avon, you guys, which is a foundation, but I use it as a contour stick, which is so creamy and it doesn't dry or anything. So I'm allowed, to grab my brush and spray it or whatever and continue blending without drying on me. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite look in that video, and also favorite song. I have so many favorite songs in that album. I mean, they're all freaking good. My favorite look was the robot one, but you guys voted on this one on Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow me. For my foundation, I'm using the Hard Candy Camouflage and Dare to Extend Hard Candy Mascara. Girl, this mascara makes my bottom lashes appear. Like, I don't have any, and this just brings them out. So for my lips, I'm using this nude lip liner by Revlon, and it just reminded me a lot of the lip color that she was wearing in her video. So I'm just going to finish off this look with a bronzer from NYX all over my face. There you guys have the final outcome. I hope you guys love my celebrity inspired makeup looks using lots of affordable products, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave you guys more celebrity inspired looks, so make sure you guys click on this video so you guys can watch more. Leave me your comments down below what other celebrity inspired you guys want to see. See you on the next one.